We are going to go through all the changes, the upgrades, the restorations we did on this boat while it was in indoor storage. So there's been a lot. We'll try to cover it super fast. So if you stayed till the end, it's worth it. Okay, so we'll start at the bottom here. We did touch up the bottom paint completely on this boat, sanded it down a little. I'm not completely confident it would be great, so we might have to retake it off next season, but we'll figure it out from there. These stripes, the black and the gray on the boot stripes here and on the top side, all brand new. If you've ever done hull stripes, you know not the most fun thing to do. And then the biggest impact on this boat, all the buffing, polishing, and the sealant we did. So we'll throw up on the screen here what it used to look like. It was probably one of the most oxidized boats I think I've ever seen, but we ended up taking about 2 to 3 passes with the heavy cut, moving into the polish, and then finally finishing up with the sealant. So I think it turned out okay, but we'll see how it lasts during the season. All right, so let's go back to the back of the boat now. The business end, we'll show some of the stuff back here that we worked on throughout the season. So we've got the Bravo 3 outdrives here. Both of these came off completely, and we did a full service on them. We checked for leaks, we did all the greases, we did all the gimbals, all the good stuff in here. So hopefully we should be good for a while, but we got them all done. We also got a bit of an unexpected surprise this year. When we trimmed up our outdrives, these started leaking, which if you have ever worked on trim systems, they are expensive, and that was an unexpected cost. But new trim lines now, this was a saltwater boat, so we're happy. We should be good to go. With the water being a little low, we want that to work. The other big thing we did was we put in the new Simrad, the 3-in-1 transducer. So obviously we had a less than par system last year on the sonar and the chart plotter, so we're super stoked about that this year. A lot of time running the cables there. On top of that, we also did all of our anodes on the trim tabs, on the drives as well. So now let's go see the fun part of the boat inside. All right, so coming inside, probably my favorite thing so far about this boat, the new upholstered back seat right here. So we did the pad back here and we did this bench seat. So we added a little custom flair to it with the diamond pleating. So definitely not how it came out originally, but we're super excited that we did that. I think it looks great. We replaced just about every single light bulb on this boat. So we went with the blue, obviously here in the fish box here. And then on top of that, we also went with the blue inside the bait well here as well. Replaced all of these lights from that standpoint. We had tons of leaky spigots, so we fixed the freshwater one, and we've got the raw water cleaned up as well. So everything should be working. All right. Tons of work up here. If you remember what our helm used to look like in this cockpit area, it is nothing like that. So as I mentioned, we put in the new Simrad. Super excited about this. We've got our sonar, radar, chart plotter, engine information, just about everything from that standpoint. We also put in the new VHF radio. So we were having issues with the other one, put in a new 8-foot antenna as well. Had to go with the Sportfish steering wheel. We pretty much learned how to drive boats with center consoles, and having that type of steering wheel with this knob, I am super excited to have that again. So on top of that, you'll see all new isinglass all around here. So we were really excited to do that because the other isinglass was a little bit yellow, a little bit thick, and by the end of the season, we started to have cracks. So now we should be good, get us out of the any type of elements, stay dry from that standpoint. Okay, let's hop into the cabin. So if you remember this cabin, we haven't done a whole lot with it other than you'll see these nice new LED lights we've put in under here. We've put them in under this cabinet. We've got it under under this part here. We are going to put it under these cabinets too, but that's what all the new boats have. So I figured let's do it here as well. Other than that, just really spruced everything up, cleaned it up pretty good. Nothing too significant here. Got our aft cabin back here as well. Got a little spot for people to stay in. Single top burner, regular sink in here, and then full-sized head in here. It is a wet head. We are going to put a full-sized mirror on this door too, so stay tuned for that. That's the tour of the boat. We're excited to get on the water, and we'll show you all the good things on that. Boat's a little bit of a mess, so we'll have it cleaned up by the time we get there. Thanks for staying till the end.